This is the NEET 2019 question in electric charges and fields. Question is like this. 2 point charges A and B having charges plus Q and minus Q respectively are placed at a certain distance apart and force between them is F. Let us try to understand this part first before I go ahead and solve the further part of the problem. What is being said is there is a charge plus Q, point charge, small in size, another charge minus Q separated by a certain distance. Because the charges are opposite, the force between them is attractive. How much is that? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R square, right? So this is how much is given to us, right? What is next said is, if 25% of the charge of A is transferred to B, what will be the force between them? So let us talk about that part of the problem first. When 25% of first charge, that is plus Q, is transferred to minus Q. What happens to plus Q now? First of all, let us see that plus Q. Then plus Q, the first charge that is new charge of A is original charge plus Q minus 25% of that plus Q. It is transferred, right? So how much is then Q minus 25% means 25 by 100 of Q. That is Q minus 1 by 4 Q. That is 3 by 4 Q positive. That is the charge of A, new charge of A after transfer of 25% from A. Now let us write what is the new charge of B. What is that actually? That is minus Q originally, plus it has received 25% of plus Q, right? So how much is that will be? Minus Q plus 25% means 1 by 4th of plus Q. So 4 is the LCM, minus 4Q plus Q, that is minus 3Q by 4. So the first charge became 3Q by 4, second charge became minus 3Q by 4. They are still opposite charges. There is still attraction between them. How much is that new attraction is? We can find out quite easily, right? Let's find out. So after transfer, new force between them F dash equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught new charge of A 3 by 4 of Q, new charge of B minus 3Q by 4, and the separation remains the same like the previous case itself. So when compared with the F, see here, this is what our F equation is. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is same, plus Q and minus Q and R square are same. Let us keep them separately. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught plus Q minus Q by R square. What else is remaining? 3 by 4 here and 3 by 4 here. All this value is nothing but equal to F, and 3 is 9 by 16. So the new force is 9F by 16. That's how we have to solve the problem. So it's a very simple problem based on Coulomb's inverse square law. We are only talking about what happens when the charges are transferred from one to other. That's it. Thank you for watching.